I belong to you. I belong to you.
Transcribed and brought to you by the Jello family of desserts.
Jell-O. Oh, the big red letters stand for the Jello family. Oh, the big red letters stand for the Jello family. That's Jello. Yum, yum, yum. Jello puddings. Yum, yum, yum.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Brigetta. Today I'm making Jello cubes, and all you're going to need is 4 different flavors of Jello, unflavored gelatin, sweetened condensed milk, parchment paper, 4 of the same size containers, and a mixing bowl, and you're ready to go. Island pineapple, but of course you can pick any flavors you want. Berry blue. Peach. And same thing, so we stir it up. Then we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill for 2 hours. Two hours have passed, the Jello is chilled, and now I'm going to cut them into squares. Okay, and I'm also going to use a knife, and I'm going to run around the outside. Try and make them as equal as possible, but this isn't precise. All right, I'm going to use Pam for the bottom of the dish that the Jello and everything's going to go into, because I learned from the parchment paper, and you'll see I might struggle a little bit getting the Jello out of these containers. If we spray Pam in it, it's going to be easier to get out at the end. Just a little bit. Spread it around and up the sides. It won't affect the flavor at all. It'll just make it easier to get it out. I definitely want to make sure it comes out in cubes, and we're going to spread it around in our dish. While I'm doing this, I have water boiling, and that's going to be to mix with what's in my bowl right now. If you have to, separate it as you're putting it into the bigger dish. This is peach. So I recommend when you make the Jello in 4 equal containers, spray the bottom with Pam. Do not use parchment paper. That was a bad idea. But of course, every time you cook or bake, it's a learning experience. This one should come out much easier. Again, just try and spread it around. I smartened up at the end, and I did add Pam cooking spray to this one. That's why that one came out so much easier. Now I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of hot water. And I'm adding it to our gelatin mixture we made a short time ago. And stir that in. And the last thing to add is the sweetened condensed milk, and that's 1 cup. This was 1 1/4 hot water. And then we're going to chill that for 2 hours. And then it'll be ready to serve. A couple hours have passed and our Jell-O is chilled, and now it's time to cut it and try it. So I'm going to take my knife and I'll run it around the edge to loosen it. But because I sprayed it with Pam, it looks like it's going to come out easily. All right, so now I'm going to flip it. All right. Surprised myself. That came out pretty well. Okay. To make it into cubes, what I'm going to do is just trim off the edges so the whole thing is a little more even. But have no fear, we will eat this. We're just making it into one giant cube. Start cutting the Jell-O into I'm gonna go ahead and try one. I love Jell-O. I'm just gonna take this one that fell over. Oh, that's really good. Try this. I think you'll like it. If you like Jell-O, you'll like this. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again real soon, and the recipe will be in the description box. Bye.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
melody.